What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Santa Clarita. I haven't been out here forever. Let's go see what's up. Plenty of y'all been telling me how much heat they've been having here. It is Christmas Eve. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas if you guys celebrate and all that stuff. I don't think they're gonna have anything, but I need a video. So yeah, I had to come here. Let's go. It's like 1 o'clock. Are they even gonna have a heat cart? Yes, they are. No, the heat cart's been out early. Just looking, size 11 Jordan 1 though. That's on $80, something like that. Then they got some of those Doernbechers. That's a size 12. All right, nothing too crazy. I doubt they're gonna restock. It's just way too packed here. All right, let's look around. I'll check it later as well. Oh shoot! Is this the only one here? Size 9. That's the only one, dang it. It's a Niners one. That's going for 20 bucks. If they had a bigger size, obviously I'd definitely get it. Yeah, that was the only one. All right, I've been looking for 9.5 for some family members. Let's start there and then see if we find anything. KD 13s, 14s, KD 14s go for $70. A freaking steal. Yeah, this one's pretty dope too. This is not the greatest for wide footers. So that's kind of why I haven't touched one of these. But this is nice. That is nice. $70. It's in the size 9.5 section though. They got these cleats. These are pretty freaking fire. Size 10, going for $30. If they had this in an 8.5 or 8, maybe I would get it for my kiddo. But yeah, this. Yeah, maybe I'll check smaller sizes. On the 9.5, I was hoping for some Blazers or something, but nah, not really. Defy All Day's going for $35. Monarch looking mugs right there. And speaking of, you're 40 for those. SB Court Duval? I don't know what the hell that is. $35 for those. These are a canvas pair. Colors kind of whatever too. Checking the size 8, 8.5. Look at this. Oh my God. $100 for these. I do have a pair of these at home. The LeBron 8. Was this Hardwood Classic? Like old school Cavs colorway. This is freaking fire, dude. I can't believe they got these for $100. Got these going for $80. Air Max 95s. $30 for these. Ooh, I might have to just grab these. Yeah, this is specifically for football too. I'm gonna grab these. These are fire, dude. These are fire. Not good for wide footers. My kid does have wide feet too. I don't think these are gonna fit him, but I'm still gonna get them. Sucks you can't really do returns here, but we'll figure it out. Oh, Fly E's going for $60. Weird colorway. Better colorway right here going for $60. $70 for these Air Max 90s, size 8. Smaller sizes, they got all kinds of heat. $100 for those. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits. This is Pegasus, 39s. Nike Bayou going for $60. 8.5 seats of Metcon 8s going for $60. It's the latest model. Bronze going for $100? Okay. Got a bunch of the smaller sizes, size 9 right here. The 8.5 of these. I wonder if I should go with the 8.5 or should I go with the 8? Alright, I don't know how these fit. So obviously I'll try one out myself to see how it fits. I'm wearing sandals, but I am coming to a sneaker shop, so I do have some socks on me. Yeah, this is a 10. Now you should fit 10, 10.5, 10 on some things. Yeah, the 10 even can fit me. It is a little narrow, but yeah, I'm gonna grab the 8. Okay. On to the 10, 10.5. Dude, still got these LeBron 9 carpet. I don't know what the hell they're called. But yeah, $100 for those. Got some golf ones right here. The ADG4 Golf go for $80. More of these. This one shows 60 though. Okay. Nike SB iShod wears go for $50. Rona slips go for $40. The Niger Freeze, these are going for $40 as well. More of these Air Max 90s going for 70. 2090s going for 80. More of these Air Max 95s. Apparently they have these in different sizes going for 80. On the 10.5s, apparently they got another one of these. 2090s going for 80. Jordan 11 Low Comforts going for 60. Jordan 36 Lows. These are down to 80 freaking dollars. That is freaking dope. We used to see all the Jordan performance stuff here for hella cheap way back when. We're getting back to that, which is freaking fire. Getting back to that. Kyrie Low 5s down to 50 freaking dollars. That is fire too. $50. Wow. The Kyrie Low 4s here going for 50 bucks as well. Oh, I was like, oh, did they got D&Ps? No. Got these in 11s as well. Been so busy, haven't checked on the cart. Don't see anything new, just the Jordan 1s. And yeah, they had the Jordan 12 Golf and stuff like that. That's still it. Seeing a ton of those Jordans in the size 11s. Also got these KDs right here. Got these in a bunch of sizes. Tons of LeBrons, all 19s though. 11.5 Zoom Freak 3 going for 50 bucks. Size 12, finding some interesting stuff right here. The Zoom GT runs going for $80. Fly Ease, yeah, that wouldn't work for what I'm trying to get that for. That colorway wouldn't work. Told you a bunch of these, all going for $80. That is a steal. Holy crap. PG 5s going for $50. Oh, okay. Some Kyrie Low 4s going for 50 bucks. This is size 13 though. Alright, I did check these. They got the all white ones in 10, 10.5, but they don't have any other ones in size 12. Happened to be walking by size 11.5. Some Air Force One Luxe. This one does have that premium leather. $60 for these. Not too shabby. Looking at the size 13. Looking for stuff for Big Feet Gang right here. We got some more KDs right here, 13s. Oh, 14s go for 70. Zoom Freaks going for 60. On the basketball stuff, Kyrie Low 4s going for 50. Some Kyrie Infinities going for $60. I just saw one of the resellers throw these back right here. LeBron 2s, size 11, go for 100 bucks. I could even wear this, to be honest. I like the gold one. I don't like that one. We got Will here. Definitely appreciate you supporting the channel. Definitely appreciate it. Chopping up for a few minutes. You got these. Look at these. I've never seen these. These are size 13 right here. These are pretty dope. These are pretty dope. Only $50. Like, I'm looking for something like this for the kiddos I'm buying for, you know, for my nephews and stuff. So, damn, these are dope. Plenty of basketball sneakers for Big Feet Gang. 60 bucks for those Zoom Freaks. Even got these for the Big Feet Gang, 35. Zion 1s going for 60. They got running shoes and stuff too for y'all too. 80 for these. Size 14. Selection getting way smaller real quick. $100 for these. If I was you guys now size 14, I would ask if you see any size 13, see if they have any of those in size 14. Usually not too way off. But yeah, Zoom Hardcourt NXTs for tennis, for 60. 14.5. I was trip seeing 14.5. Like, you just don't see that anywhere else. $60 for those. Size 15 Pegasus Trails going for 60. More Vaporfly Nest Percents go for 100 bucks. Pegasus down to 60. 30 for the Kyries. 15.5 down to 30. Then they even got these. What size are these? 18s going for $80 right here. So I'm back in the front checking on the E card. They got multiple DJ Khaled's. Those are going for, I think, 100 bucks. They got the LeBrons right there. LeBron 20s. Still got that Jordan one as well. Yeah, came up a little bit closer. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. I don't know the size. I think the LeBron's a size 10. The DJ Khaled, size 11's right there. Okay. Checking to see if they have any NBA merch, NFL merch, anything like that for presents and stuff. Not really see much though. Got the MT jerseys. Guess you're supposed to get these customized yourself. $40 for these. They're all large, by the way. What the hell is this? Hawaiian shirt? $40 for these. Oh, the Oregon Ducks jersey. This is kind of dope. Kind of dope. This is small though. No price tag on it. But there's this one right here. Yeah, $30 for this one. Okay. That's a weird shirt right here. Large. It's like a polo, but a long sleeve polo. Thick long sleeve polo. It's just a swoosh right there. That's what. 25. That's a large. It's an orange. Tennessee Volunteer orange. I don't know how much these going for though. Oh, the tags are on the arms. Usually the tags aren't on the arms. $10 for those. Okay. Damn, I am searching the hell out of these. Not really seeing anything in the clothing. All right, I'm gonna head out. I think we're done. Go stand in the big old line. Within a few minutes, all the DJ cows are gone, dude. Holy crap. Okay. All right, let's go. They doing some restocks right there. Got a bunch of the Calids. They're all size 8s and 9s though. They got a bunch of those. Okay. Oh, they got. Oh shit, they got that. Oh, they got the Doernbecher. What's it called? Oh shit, they got the Doernbechers. I can't believe they got the Doernbechers. Holy crap. Oh, I'm gonna have to grab one of those Doernbechers. The Doernbecher. What is it? The Blazers? Doernbecher Blazers? That's a 9.5. Oh my god, dude, this was insane. So unexpected. And then they had like another $10 off or something, or 10% off if you reach $100. Oh, it's a December. Oh man. All right, cool. All right, did come up. This is fire, dude. This is fire. All right. Yeah, we're gonna go home and talk about it because, man, that was fire. All right, guys, that was it, man. That was the Nike clearance store. Bunch of y'all been telling me how great that place has been. They've been having heat like crazy. They've been having that heat card like crazy. Man, been hearing from a ton of guys, and yeah, that was dope, dude. Did get these for my boy right here. Football cleats, got them for $30. These are the what the hell are these called? The Vapor Street Edge 360s. These normally go for $100. I think I saw them on the Nike website over $100. Got mine for $30. That was pretty dope. And then I also came up with these, you guys. I didn't get to talk about it too much and stuff because stuff happens quick. Right when I got to the front, they started putting these up on the shelves. I looked at the size. They had what, 3 9.5s, I believe. That's the only size they had. And yeah, these are the Doernbecher Blazers. Freaking dope. 7 on the back. Does have the kid's avatar face, something like that. Does have kind of a deconstructed look. Colors are just freaking fire, just super dope. Got a hint of purple on it. The other side, it does come with what are these, patches, something like that. Does come with that. Does come with these laces. This is a 9.5. It kind of fits. If I wear like some really thin socks, these will definitely fit. And I tried them on. You know, I like the way they look. They're mostly black. They're dope. They're dope. And I was definitely glad to grab these. Ended up coming out to what, $50? $50. I forgot how much these normally went for. I don't know, 140 or something. I don't know. But yeah, if you guys don't know about the Doernbecher collection, it is a collection that Nike comes out with pretty much every year. I think they missed last year, but because of COVID and stuff like that, but they do come out with these every year. So those ended up costing me $50. I was kind of confused about like what coupon they were talking, or what sale they were talking about. So apparently, I remember seeing on Nike, on my Nike app, that there's like a half birthday. So like my birthday's in June, and it's December, it's halfway toward my birthday, so they gave me a 10% off coupon. I wish you would explain that, because to use that, you do have to get to $100. I had $80. I had $80 worth of sneakers, and I still had like 4 or 5 days to use it. And I'm gonna be out at the Nike outlets a lot more, so I bought 2 of these. These are normally what, I think 20 a piece or something like that. 20 a piece. I ended up getting 2 of these. I probably wouldn't have gotten 2. I don't think I needed 2. I just ordered socks, so I don't think I needed 2. I would have been good with 1. So to be honest, I probably wouldn't have even used the coupon right now. I probably would have saved it for tomorrow. So I kind of wish that dude explained it to me when he said, hey, you get a 10% off. I thought like they were having some sort of sale throughout the entire store. And then when I looked at the receipt, I was like, oh, the 10% off half birthday or so, I don't know, something. I was like, man, why didn't you explain that to me, man? It made me waste that coupon, but it is what it is. Those Doernbechers going for 50 bucks. That was dope. The cleats, those were only $30. That was fire. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to go back. Definitely gonna have to go back. My goal has been to try to go there twice a week. I've been sick. I've been MIA for almost 2 weeks. So you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. But yeah, definitely will head back, and hopefully I can get some more steals like that, man. That was pretty dope. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you guys help avoid. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty of videos coming. So stay tuned, you guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna try to make videos this week. I want to kind of talk about all the sneakers that I purchased this year. I also want to talk about like some of my favorite sneakers that I've copped, and you know, some of the stuff I missed out on. So stay tuned. Got plenty coming. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace.